Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4 available on your iPhone? So I already installed and set up the application what HUAWEI offer for the earbuds, and inside the application we can check supported devices. So we need to open it, then click at the plus to add device, and right here at the left bottom select add manually. Then go to entertainment at the left side and click earphones. So if the application available for these earbuds, we can see them right here at the device list. Our model is FreeBuds Pro 4, so you can check it here, or you can use a search and write Pro 4 here, and right here we have our earbuds. So my short answer is yes, the application available for your iPhone. Now, if you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add these earbuds to the app, you can check videos at this channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!